reading of whatever you have written, you will also experience a shift in the way the Balasant is manifesting and how she channels Parameshwar through her. So as we give time for Ma Vanshika to read out, let us all also get into the space of oneness as I request all of you to sit with your head, neck and spine in a straight line and connect with Swamiji through the intense chanting of the Mahavakya. And as Swamiji himself has told, just through the chanting of the Mahavakya, you yourself will literally experience Swamiji's physical presence around you. So request for the Mahavakya to be played as Ma Vanshika manifests the power of paradise.
Bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Shivoham. Om Nityananda.
By chanting the Mahavakya and internalizing the Mahavakya, will literally resonate with the same space as Paramashiva literally is channelized to Ma Vanshika.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्
So as she is connecting with Paramashiva, usually at this time when the manifester is just connecting with Paramashiva and allowing the power manifestation to happen, usually what happens during power manifestation is that the person who wants to manifest the power sits, connects to Swamiji with the Mahavakya, and whatever Paramashiva shows only they tell it out. It's never the person individually seeing something on their own effort or on their own tapas or anything like that. It's only due to the grace and initiation of His Divine Holiness Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashivam onto us that we are able to manifest such unique powers and enrich the whole world with them. So this moment when it looks like it is taking a long time for the manifestor to manifest the power, in fact she is just getting more and more deeply connected to Paramashiva as she chants the Mahavakya more. Literally, when this is happening, it becomes a strong space around her to allow the manifestation to happen. And this is the time where Paramashiva literally tests one for their will persistence as to if they can manifest the power, in terms of not just if they can manifest the power actually, but if they are ready to just trust Paramashiva in whatever he says and whatever he does. Because now when one does body scanning for someone else who's completely unknown, they won't have an idea on what problems they might have faced before, on what problems they're facing now. But only because Paramashiva reveals to oneself, they're able to easily tell that, okay, this is the problem you're facing and this is how you're supposed to come out. This is what Paramashiva is showing me through my third eye. Simply just by trusting Paramashiva, he just flows through and gives the proper and precise solution, unique for each and every individual being. Even though two beings might have the same back issue, the cause of it might be completely different and the solutions will be completely different. It's not one tablet for all, but in fact, Paramashiva creates medicines on the spot for different beings, for different patterns that they have to break in order to manifest Paramashivoham, the Paramashivatva space. So, during this time of the manifestor taking time to manifest a power, it's only just the will persistence test of Paramashiva as to how much can we trust Paramashiva and how much will he shower on us. So Ma Vanchika, if you're able to see anything, you can tell it in the mic. Okay. Please come to the mic and tell.
I'm able to see Paramashiva.
Okay. So she's got one of the words, which is Paramashiva, which is completely correct. And see, just like this, the intense space is created and she's now able to slowly start seeing words which she got completely one word correct. And as we all hold the same intensity of just trusting Paramashiva in whatever he tells, whatever he is showing to us, let us continue to chant the Mahavakya and continue to connect with Swamiji and be in the space of oneness. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Able to see consciousness.
Yes. That is one of the words. And then? So as you all saw before, she got two of the words that were on the sheet, and she's yet to get the rest of the words, which now is slowly manifesting as she is trusting Paramashiva more and more. And as a group, we all are trusting Paramashiva more and more and radiating the space of oneness. As usually, when any viewer is watching any Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, or if anyone's sitting next to a manifestor while this is happening, it is a collective space that allows the manifestation to happen. And for sure, Paramashiva never denies any of his disciples of anything. And this is one proof that just through intense chanting of the Mahavakya and intense trust on the Master, power is manifest very easily. So we'll continue to chant the Mahavakya as she gets the rest of the words on the notepad. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
I'm able to see Shakti.
Yes, correct. And there is one more word on the paper which she is yet to get. And literally, I don't know, Ma Ala, if you're able to see this conscious shift, but just through the intense chanting of the Mahavakya alone, this intense space is being created to trust Paramashiva and for the oneness to be happening around us. So, literally, like, even Ma Ala has come previously for the power of consciousness over matter, where it took some time for the power to manifest, but it only means that something huge is going to happen, which I've been telling from that time to her. And literally, like, because of just chanting the Mahavakya continuously, we're able to see the power manifest in Ma Vanshika. And it's not just that she is manifesting the power, but actually we are also manifesting the power just through this. So in a way, anything that you want to manifest in life, just by chanting the Mahavakya intensely, you can manifest that in your life and make anything you want as a reality. And literally, not just manifest anything you want, but even invoke Swamiji himself wherever you are, physically. So once again, we'll be reverting back to the Mahavakya as Ma Vanshika gets the last word on the paper. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 One more unique thing of the third eye is that, as you can see, Ma Vanshika is literally changing the angles of the pad. Not to just like simply change it, but actually the third eye works not only like in front view, but it even works in a 360-degree angle. So literally there are balasans in the Nitya and the Gurukul who even sit on the paper and read it effortlessly, just like how they do with their two eyes open. Some people, some balasans, they read the paper behind their back. Some of them read it completely towards the side, some on top of their head. and it's completely different angle. Some people won't even know what it means, but the third eye is a complete 360-degree vision of your surroundings, and not just your physical surroundings, but even the conscious space of everyone around you, and what harm might be happening in the future. You will be easily able to correct it, and you will be also knowing what is gonna happen, how to change it, how to guide people in changing their future and making it a better future. So literally the third eye is an all-rounder power which not just allows you to see with your eyes closed, but even allows you to become literally a fortune teller for your life and for others' life. As you scan yourself and others, you'll know where dangers are going to be coming up in your life, where you should align, where you should correct, and also how you can manifest Paramashiva more and more easily in your life. Sma Vanchika? So she's still connecting with Paramashiva as she gets the last word. Although it's taking time, I thank all the viewers and everyone who is still with us and continuing to hold the space for Ma Vanchika as she manifests this power, as it is not just an individual but even the surrounding ambience. That's why Swamiji says that by living in a spiritual ecosystem, you'll not only manifest Paramashiva so easily, but literally radiate him to the whole world. And as he's promoting creation of Kailasas everywhere, just recently, even in his Facebook posts, he's been posting about the Shyamala Pita, Sarvagnya Pita, and just recently, the Rajaraja Chola, the great king of the Chola dynasty, the temple of Tanjavur, where he's built a huge temple out of a single granite stone. That area, a very beautiful temple has been gifted to us, and Swamiji is reviving the spiritual ecosystem there. And literally, as he's reviving these things, he also tells the benefits of the spiritual ecosystem, where not only manifesting Paramashiva but radiating him just like how Swamiji radiates him. And that's why it's a group effort of manifesting Shaktis and not just the individual's effort and individual's will persistence. So I really thank all the viewers and everyone who is still with us in this Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana and showing your will persistence of being with Paramashiva at this time as Ma Vanchika manifests this power. And it's a very beautiful process throughout any Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarana, as when you just watch the power happening, you yourself feel a cognition shift, you yourself feel some conscious shift, whether it might be very, very small or a huge shift in your life. Paramashiva always takes us a step further in our consciousness. So literally just by witnessing the power, you will experience a shift in how to deal with your own life, in how you can manifest Paramashiva much more easier in your life. So let us now revert back to chanting the Mahavakya and just stay strong by chanting the Mahavakya as Ma Vanchika gets the last word on the notepad. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. Ma Vanshika, if you're able to see any letters or any lines also, you can tell it out into the mic.
Able to see D
Yes.
O
Mm-hmm.
W
Just tell it in the mic. DOW.
D O W N L A N A O D.
Okay. So, as you can see, Ma Vanshika has gotten everything on the notepad. It has taken a while, yes, it has taken a while, but she has finally shown the will persistence to Paramashiva and finished the power. So, not finished the power, but like manifested the power completely. So, Ma, you can remove the blindfold for her and so Vanchika, how did you manifest this power? Like how did it come to you?
Just having the will persistence that Swamiji is going to show me, believing, having trust on him that he is going to manifest through me.
That's it. Very simple but straightforward cognition that just by having trust and that he's just going to flow through me. That's all. That's how actually every Balasant functions. Just simple trust that he's initiated, it has to happen. That's all. So, Ma Ala, how is it for you?
Okay, so I feel like we just gave a little support through chanting the Mahavakya. I don't know if it's working, but with our group consciousness, we manifested the power together.
Yes.
And yes, all the words are correct. I'm very happy that you manifested, Ma.
Yes. So, with this, we'll be ending today's Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. And I really thank all the viewers who have stayed with us till this point of the Paramashiva Shakti Avishkarna. And once again, I'll be just showing the notepad for all the viewers who are just joining right now. These were the 4 words that were given to her. And once she was blindfolded, Ma had written it on this piece of paper. And she read it within a span of more than the expected time. But just it was a test for her will persistence to manifest. So I request for the notepad to be zoomed in and for the 4 words to be shown. Yes, so these were the 4 words that Ma Ala had given to Mavanshika, and it took some time, but just through the intense chanting of the Mahavakya, we were able to manifest this power together. And this is the benefit of having a spiritual ecosystem. Having a Kailasa formed in your area not only benefits you, but benefits everyone around you. So with this, I thank all the viewers who are with us till now, and do stay on for the further sevas of the Uttomottama Seva, and our humble gratitude and pranams at the feet of His Divine Holiness, Bhagavan Shri Nityananda Paramashivam. Thank you all. Nityanandam.
Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda
Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Tirukailaya Priya Tirukailaya Vadyamavadharaya.
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द.
Nritta Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. Devadevottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Nritta Priya Nrittam Avadharaya. authentic grandeur. The king visited often to pay his respects. As I grew older, Kashi Sameta Shri Kashi Vishwanatha Swami Temple in Karande. It was a very old temple, existing even before the rules of Cholas, yet was worshipped by the Cholas as it belonged to the Chola Samrajya. This temple had its own vibrance and radiance, undoubtedly a rare enlightenment ecosystem. I prayed to Ishvara to keep me at his feet and to embrace me into his welcoming space. But one day, as I sat at his feet, the temple was under attack. Invaders wanted to loot the temple of its riches, massacre the learned pandits, and destroy the ecosystem holding the space of the temple. I was old and helpless. I closed my eyes, prayed to Ishvara, and he lifted me off this world as my wrinkled, frail body gracefully embraced this earth. The repeated invasions and attacks left the temple in ruins, but the deities were rescued by a family of ardent devotees of the Lord. Ishvara empowered them to safeguard the deities until they are now safe to be handed back, preserved and worshipped. Now, Ishvara himself, Paramashiva himself, has descended to recreate the ecosystems he had established, and now, in the form of Bhagavan Sri Nityananda Paramashivam and his Rudra Kanyas, stand by him. This time, I am young, empowered, and strong to stand by any attack and preserve the ecosystems he is creating. The ecosystem in Karandi today is now re-established as Kailasa Paramparagata Surya Vamsha Chola Samrajya Sarvagnya Peetham, and the deities revived and received will be receiving the Nitya Puja every single day. This will be a Kailasa with huge full-fledged temple along with a huge Goshala, library, Nityananda Gurukul, and a full-fledged Adinam. We invite everyone to join us and contribute to the formation of the various Kailasas all over the world, as this is the need of the hour for Hinduism to be revived.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
The offering of the Sangeeta Seva at the feet of Devi Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva. Deva Devottama Devata Sarvabhauma Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Shri Nityanandeshwari Parashakti Sameta Shri Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Sangeeta Priya Sangeetam Avadharaya.
नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ఎందరో మహానుభావులు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు లందరికీ వందనములు లందరికీ వందనములు లందరికీ వందనములు లందరో మహానుభావులు చందురువనుని ఈ చందురువనుని ఈ చందురువనుని ఈ చందురువనుని ఈ చందురువనుని యంద చందమును హృదయార విందమును జూచి బ్రహ్మానందమను భావించువార్ విందమును జూచి బ్రహ్మానందమను భావించువారెందరో మహావులు లందరికీ వందనములు లందరో మహానుభావులు సని ని సని ని సని ప సరి గరిరి 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 స గరిరి సని ఎందరో మహానుభావులు సమగానలో మనసి జలావన్యధన్యమూర్ధన్యునందరో మహానుభావులు రి గరిరి గరిరి సని సరి సరి సని భగ గరి సరి గరి రి సని ఎందరో మహానుభావులు మానసవనచరవర సంచారముని లిపిమూర్తి వాగుగ పొడగని వారెందరో మహానుభావులు పవమరి పవమరి పాపమరి నిప నిప మమ పమరి గరి గరి సని ఎందరో సరగుణ పాదములకు స్వాంతమను సరోజమను సమర్పణము సేయువారెందరో సని సని ప సని ప పతిత పావని పరాత్పరుని పరమాత్మ నిజముతో నువ్వు సల్లాపముతో స్మరయ తిరాగములు తెలియువ రోమను భావంతికి వందనములు లెందరో